down to the Kasi Street. Every corner feels like home. This is Zulu on my tongue, English when I'm on the phone. Mama's cooking fills the air, Papa's laughter down the hall. Different languages collide, but love connects us. Kasi-Ekhaya, it's Yakaya. We're heading back again. It's Yakaya, it's Yakaya. We're family never ends. Soweto my Kasi-Ekhaya, Ekhaya. Soweto my Kasi, one roof, one love, one family. Soweto my Kasi-Ekhaya, Ekhaya. Soweto my Kasi, where every dawn is family. Uncles telling stories loud, aunties dancing in the lounge. Bits of language is so sweet, makes this house complete. Goes wisdom in my ear, saying, child, you belong here. In every word I understand, this is home across the land. Yakaya, it's Yakaya. We're heading back again. It's Yakaya, it's Yakaya. The family never ends. Soweto my Kasi-Ekhaya, Ekhaya. Soweto my Kasi, one roof, one love, one family. Soweto my Kasi-Ekhaya, Ekhaya. Soweto my Kasi, where every dawn is family. Warm arms open wide, no need to hide who you are, where you from. In this house we are one. Zulu, English doesn't matter. Love is all that matters. Soweto my Kasi-Ekhaya, Ekhaya. Soweto my Kasi, one roof, one love, one family. Soweto my Kasi-Ekhaya, Ekhaya. Soweto my